Today we are going to study about the new trend which developed in India, that was the temple sculpture. The relief work which is done on the rocks. Can you see this beautiful? This is directly done on the rock, a big hill. Rock cut temples and cells for monks date from the Gupta period, and it continued for the several centuries in the different part of India. And the oldest example is the Ajanta cave paintings. Elephanta at Bombay Harbour is an outstanding example of cave temples, and it dates from early 17th century. And this shrine is dedicated to Lord Shiva. Now again the Hinduism was in prevalence, whereas earlier only the Buddhism was followed. However, the Shiva's head of three faces, Mahesh Murthy, is to be recognized at the great sculpture masterpiece. Ellora is the same region as Ajanta, and this is also dedicated to the Hindu deities. By the end of the Gupta period, Buddhism was no longer. This I have already explained you. And after the Gupta period, it was all the Hindu faith which was to account for the proliferation of the sculpture temples, which began to be used all over India. Now we are going to study about this plate. This is the descent of Ganga. It is made of granite and it is in Mahabalipuram, Tamil Nadu, done in the 7th century. This is a mural decoration in relief, and it represents the descent of Ganga. So see, this depth is representing the Ganga, and the water deities in the snake form are shown here. The widespread hood is here. Sages and the goddesses are coming to see the scene. They are rejoicing. People are coming from this direction, and you could see the divine figures. They all are the sages and the worshippers. They are also coming to witness this event. Here you could see the Bhagirath standing here and doing the tapasya, because he was responsible to bring the Ganga to the earth. So beautiful realistic animal drawing is also done here. So this is the enlargement of the water deity, and actually this is the actual side scene which I am showing you. And here this is considered as a bun of Shiva. Shiva ka jo head bun, that is here, and from here the water is coming down. Next is the Ravana shaking Mount Kailash. Here you could see it is of Ellora, done in the 8th century, and hundreds or thousands of skilled stone cutters have worked here. Ravana is shown here, and he is uplifting the Himalayan abode of Lord Shiva, and Lord Shiva is shown sitting here with his family. Next this is the detailed study. Now this is also very important, which is found in Elephanta. This is the three faces, three aspects of Lord Shiva is shown here. Center one is shown in a meditation pose. Here a figure face in profile is shown with the mustaches. This is the Bhairava face, and here he is represented as a feminine in a female posture. This sculpture, huge, bigger than the human size, is done in 13th century at Konark temple, and there are 32 figures. Lady musicians are shown at the entrance of the main hall. You could see that this is the ceiling of the hall, and here the base is shown here. So as high as wall is, the sculpture is made as that big. So these figures, they stand in graceful dance poses as they mark the rhythm of the large metal symbol fastened with strings, seems to be lost in the pleasure of marking time, and their expressions are serene